Hello everyone, welcome to Global EMAG. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create professional diagrams for free online. Yes, if you're wondering how to create professional diagrams such as flowcharts, pie charts, diagrams, or any other kind of professional diagrams, and you are looking for any free resource, then today we are going to share it with you. And with the help of this free resource, you can create any kind of professional diagrams for free, and that is too online, and you will not be required to pay for any charges or need to subscribe any channel or need to download any software. It will be all up to you how you want to do it. So before starting our video, if this is the first time you have come to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe Globally Mag and hit the bell notification icon so that you get all the notification from our channel, and do not forget to share your feedback as well. So let's get started. So if you're wondering how to create professional diagrams online, and then that is to free of cost and without any kind of professional background or without any kind of skill set, then today we are going to share with you a very basic and free resource which provide you with all the tools and provide you with built-in templates that you can utilize and create any kind of professional diagram for your professional purpose. So the website that we are going to use is diagrams.net. This is the website that provides you with features of making professional diagrams online free of cost. You don't need to subscribe anything, you don't need to do anything. They provide you with an option to either do it online or either you can download the software. You can download the software on your desktop and easily create the diagrams that you want and save it accordingly. But if you don't want to download the software and want to create anything on the line or anything on the run, then you can just hit the start icon, and from here it is going to open up a new page for you, and from here it will provide you with different options. As you can see that the tool has all the basic accessories for creating any kind of diagram. To help you how to use diagrams.net, all you need to do is just hit the file icon, go to new tab, and in the new tab you are going to see many built-in templates that is being provided by diagrams.net that you can use and can easily make your own diagrams for free. The basic is there. As you can see that if you want to create an organization chart, if you want to create a class diagram, if you want to create a flow chart, they have already provided you with a template then you can use. If I'm going to need to create an organization chart, all I need to do is just click this icon and hit the create button, and it is going to open up a new window for me, and it is going to show me a built-in template. As you can see that organization chart is already built on, the template is there. You can see the CFO, the name, the email address, and then you have the brand manager, the HR director, and the system admin. And similarly, if you want to make any changes, all you need to do is just click the diagram that you want to edit, double click it to change the text, and here you are provided with the option to change the text, change the font color, change the background color, and similarly you can just copy and paste and create as many diagrams as you want, and you can do so just with the help of single click. This is how easy it is to use this software. So moving further, let's go with another example. In the next example, we are going to go with a flowchart. Let's see how it makes a flowchart. Let's again go to the file menu, hit the new icon, and from here I'm going to scroll down. As you can see that they have the options of even the engineering template. They are providing you with built-in circuits and how the circuitry works. They are there. If I click the flowchart, as you can see that many complex flowchart templates are provided to you as well. If I go to business, if something that you want to create a presentation for your business, if you want to create a consultation presentation, they have already provided you with some built-in templates and you can just easily select them and just change them according to your needs and tailor them as you want. I'm going to select this chart. It is going to upload it, and here you can see that the chart is uploaded. As you can see that headings are already there, the text is already provided, the numbers of the drawings are in sequence order in different colors. I can edit whatever I want, whatever I want to do, and similarly I will keep on doing this and can easily create any diagram I want. If I have completed my diagram, now you will be thinking that how you can save it. They provide you with both the option. When you hit the save button, they are going to provide you with options to either save it on your Google Drive, OneDrive, even on your device as well. If you click the device, it is going to download it, and you can just name the file and download on your PC. So this is how easy it is for you to create any kind of online diagrams for a professional purpose without need to have any kind of special background knowledge. Very easy, very productive. With built-in templates, you can create as many diagrams as you want for different purposes, and the built-in templates are really wonderful and they really provide you with an option to create as many as you want. So I'm going to go again and go back to some other interesting diagram in the business. I'm going to select this and just hit the create icon, and it is going to show me a very complex diagram. As you can see, everything is already built in. I just need to edit the template and tailor it according to my need. So this is how easy it is for you to create any kind of professional diagrams for free. You can use the website diagrams.net and can easily create any kind of professional diagrams for free. So thank you for watching our video. In the end, if this is the first time you have come to my channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe icon and hit the bell notification icon, and do not forget to share your feedback. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.